Hello everyone, welcome for your first lesson. Please take note that this lesson is for beginners and non-accountants. And we are going to study the basics of accounting using the Xero application itself so that you can learn Xero and accounting at the same time, which is the fastest I can think of way to learn accounting and the Xero app at the same time. Let's start. Okay, so this is Xero. When you sign up for Xero, you will get a free account and an automatic trial. But we are going to use the demo company to demonstrate first the accounting principles and how it applies to the Xero accounting app. So we're going to start with what is accounting. So accounting is, according to the textbook, art and science of recording, classifying, and summarizing accounting or financial data. Well, basically, it says preparing financial reports. So, what does financial reports look like? So, here in Zero, you might have already heard that there are financial reports. And the basic financial reports are here. You click on accounting, reports, and the most common accounting report that you will have to prepare are the balance sheet and the profit and loss. In the Philippines, it's called the income statement. So in the profit and loss, you will have the summary of all the transactions of a business here. So your end product would be the financial report. The financial report shows your income as a business and your expenses, and if you are earning money or losing money in your business. Basically, that is what you as an accountant will do day in and day in and day out. There's also called the balance sheet. The balance sheet is basically the report which shows how much you are worth. So if a business is about to close, it's going to want to determine how much it is worth at a period of time. It does not show anything here, but if you open other companies, it should be able to show you the balance sheet. So for if you generate this for today, let's see if it has some data, and there you go. Okay, so the balance sheet shows how much the business is worth. Looking here, you will see the assets, the liabilities, and the equity. To know how much the business is worth, you have to show the equity. That is how much the owner owns of the business. Okay, let's break it down. The asset shows how much is the business property, and the liabilities and the equity shows who owns those property. So the business, like any other person, has cash, has receivables, has equipment, and all other what you call assets. So in this example, the total is 15,000. You might think at first that the business is worth 15,000, but you need to show who owns the 15,000. So the 15,000, according to the report, is owned by the creditors or the people, company, or institutions or entities that the company owes money to. So of the 15,000, 12,000 is owned by creditors. And you need to use 15,000 to pay off your creditors. And what's left is the equity. And that basically means how much of the 15,000 is owned by the owner. And those two reports, the balance sheet and the income statement, are your end product. How you come up with the end product will be discussed in the next lesson.